guys, welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and of course don't forget to click the tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here on this channel. So as you can see the title down below, I will be sharing to you guys my December favorites. Though late na siya, pero ipupush pa rin natin to. Kinakailangan kasi madami akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Hindi naman madami, medyo lang. So let's get on to the video. So I have a basket here full of goodies, my favorite products for the month of December, and let's start with this all-time favorite. This is the Guess Sling bag that I got from my aunt. Ayan. You will see this on my Ilocos adventure tour. Ayan, ito yung mga ginagamit ko everyday, ganyan. Kasi napaka-ano lang niya, handy lang niya, maliit lang, kasya lang yung coin purse, mga IDs, and just the essential. Walang ka-etchosan, so ready to go kapag ito na yung gamit ko. For the face, I have been enjoying this Maxipeel Facial Cleanser Pore Refining. So this is the one that I brought with me in Ilocos, and I've been loving this kasi doon super alikabok. Buti na lang dinala ko to kasi kahit mag-wash ka na, mas maganda pa rin na ito yung may toner ka, and this is the toner that I have been loving. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ano na lang siya, konting-konti na. So ilang months din to na nag-last sa akin, so it really did a great job. And of course, I have the iWhite Korea Aqua Moisturizing Whitening Vita as a moisturizer kasi diba kapag malamig yung panahon, sobrang nagdadry, lalo na nung nandun kami sa Ilocos, puro ako Ilocos. But yeah, super duper windy doon, so I really need to moisturize the skin kasi para hindi siya nagdadry na parang nagka-crack na siya, something like that. And syempre, dahil madaming puyatan ng holiday season, I have been enjoying as well this Quick FX Eye Lift Cream. Ayun, napakadumi na niya kasi lagi siya sa makeup bag ko. So, ito yung nilalagay ko dito sa under eyes ko. Though hindi naman na masyadong dark yung under eyes ko, but the problem is this one guys. Diba, kita nyo pa rin, lalo na kapag nag-smile ako, yung super duper lalim pa din ng mga bags ko dyan under my eyes. So, ayan, hopefully, maano niya kasi nalighten naman niya yung under eyes ko. Of course, I also have makeup products here with me, and ito yung in-enjoy ko talaga siya. 1 year na, parang let me know, nag-expire ba ang mga ganito? Kasi this one is the Avon na included sa 24K Gold Pal collection nila, and this one looks like that. Bakit ba dalawa ang lagi kong hawak? Tingnan nyo naman guys, hit pan na talaga siya. So, I really love this one kasi oil control, pack na pack. I really recommend that one sa mga oily ang skin. Ano lang yan. Parang sa maghapon, parang sa lunchtime lang ako, or basta parang sa tanghali lang ako magre-retouch, and dito lang talaga sa T-zones ko, the outer zones ng mukha ko, hindi ko na nilalagyan ng powder. Dito lang talaga yung oily. But it really does the good job na ine-expect ko sa powder na yan. I have a blush here, and this one is from Lancome, and the shade is just like that. Parang, ano ba? Ayan, yan yung shade niya guys. Napaka-subtle lang niya, pero napaka-pigmented nito guys. So, if you have something like this, be careful kasi sobrang pigmented talaga nito, and yun, parang ka nang nasapak kapag ginamit ko pa to ata sa 100 layers of blush ko. So, really loving this one. Tipid na tipid kasi nga napaka-pigmented na, konting-konti lang. And this one is in the shade Brilliant Berry, and I have already featured this one before on my favorite videos, I think. Yun. So, love na love ko din to kasi meron din siyang brush. Ayan, meron na siyang brush. So, perfect for traveling. And I also got this sponge. This is not a real beauty blender ba? Tawag doon. Basta, this is the makeup blender that I got from a swap with Sis Angelica. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will put the link down below. Super nag-enjoy ako sa mga binigay niya. Thank you so much, Sis Angelica, if you're watching this video. And really enjoying this one, guys. Super duper soft, and kapag basa na siya, nag-expand siya sa gusto kong size. Yun, kasi napakadali lang i-blend ng BB cream ko kasi 'di ba BB cream most lang ginagamit ko. So ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Yun nga lang, meron siyang red marks na diyan kasi yung liquid lipstick ko nag-leak. So Ayun, medyo minalas tayo. So, ayun, may kulay na siya, but still okay. Napakadali rin niyang linisin. I got a Nivea Fruity Shine. This one is my favorite. Actually, dalawang favorite ko na na lip product. Puro siya, kasi nga windy, guys. Kailangan talaga ng pang-moisturize. I have the Careline lip balm in yung Macarons. Nasaan ba yun? This is the one that I have been talking. This is the Careline Macaron in the flavor, not in the scent. Flavor talaga siya, blueberry. And I have been loving this one kasi pagkalagay mo pa lang parang 30 minutes to 40 minutes, parang pwede mo nang i-exfoliate yung lips mo. But then, medyo hassle lang siya kasi you need to use your finger with this. And with this product, the Nivea Fruity Shine Strawberry in the shade Strawberry, ito, napaka-handy naman niya. So, kapag lumalabas ako, ito yung dala ko kasama dun. Nasa loob siya ng bag ko, na sling bag ko. And it has a tint. So, parang nag-lip balm ka na, ay nag-lipstick ka na rin na parang kung gusto mo lang yung light na makeup pag lumalabas, ganun, perfect siya kasi na-moisturize na niya yung, yung lips mo, and of course, meron din siyang color. And sa body naman, I have been loving for the whole year of 2016. This one, guys, meron pa siyang natira. If you've seen what I got for Christmas nung 2015, I will put the link down below. Nakuha ko to sa exchange gift ko. Binigay sa akin to ng isang co-workmate ko. And this is the Bath and Body Works in the scent Pink Chiffon. I'm really loving this one, guys. Napakatipid niya. Imagine, 1 year ko itong ginamit, meron pa din. And everyday, I use this every day. So, love na love ko talaga to. And the scent is really lasting. Hindi siya yung, di ba yung mga cologne or yung mga ganyang body spray, madali lang siyang mawala. That one is really good kasi dumidikit siya kahit sa mga damit, ganyan. Moisturize na naman, guys, kasi nga pag taglamig, kailangan talaga natin mag-moisturize. And I have been loving this Victoria's Secret in the scent Midnight Dare. Na-feature ko na ata to dati. But I have been loving this one kasi napaka-holiday talaga ng scent niya. Parang feel mo talaga na Pasko, New Year, ganun. Kasi it is in the scent Raspberry with Sandalwood. Ayun, napaka-hydrating din niya. Hydrating body lotion. O see, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayong napaka-windy ng season. Here in Pangasinan, hindi windy ka. Pero dun sa Ilocos, guys, grabe. Magka-crack yung, alam mo yun, yung pwede mo nang sulatan yung skin mo kapag di ka lotion. So, that's it. And ito, napaka-random na favorite ko. If you've seen my giveaway, if you have joined, actually, na-announce ko na sa Facebook page ko yung winner kanina. So, ito yung, ito ba? Oo, ito siya. Kasi dami kong ginawang giveaway na pile. But this one is in my giveaway. I think sa gift wrapping giveaway ko. And this is a scented candle in the scent, I don't know. But it smells like raspberry, blueberry, dessert, guys. Dessert. Ito yung mga gusto kong scent talaga. Mga vanilla, raspberry, blueberry. Gosh. Ayoko ng strawberry, but the raspberry, blueberry, ganon. Cranberry. Sobrang, guys, kung pwede nyo lang amuyin, and the color is red, kung pwede nyo lang amuyin talaga. Sabi nga ni mama ko kanina, kasi nagkalkal siya kanina dito, nung nagpre-prepare ako, ang bango daw. Amoy masarap daw tong, candle na to. So, really love this one, and it's already given away. One of that is already given away. So that's all for my December favorites. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing this one. Gusto ko talaga, guys, ang mga favorites kasi ang dami sa inyo na try nyo rin pala ganun. So let me know down below if you have tried some of the products that I have mentioned, and let me know your thoughts about them. And if you have an Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me with the username JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys soon on my next video. Bye!
Wanna hold you down.